What are you working on, Nolan? Are you drawing a little masterpiece there? Where are you going? Nolan, up here. Let's see your artistic ability.
I need to get that pill and get my
Let's see him. Let's see it. Alright, let's take a break here. See what your big sister's doing. What are you doing? Trying to get hurt? Probably shouldn't stand on that.
I'm okay.
Good. Let's go back over here to Nolan. Are you going to start drawing? Oh, come on, up here. There you go. Good job. You're going to get a different color? Get another color? You want green? Want green? Green? No? You like orange? Orange it is then.
Where is that?
Hi.